everybody. Friday morning, leaving work, ready to get this weekend started, even though it's going to be shit. It's supposed to rain all fucking weekend. So probably going to be another weekend of no goddamn racing. People's been asking me, where's the race videos? Where's the race videos? Well, it's like been shit luck trying to race. Getting busted a lot, or the weather's just been shit, so just have not been able to. Every time we go down there, it's like get 1 or 2 runs in and that's it. I raced a little bit, but not very much. I got a little bit of footage, but not enough to do anything with. So when this weather starts cooperating, I'll be able to get out and do a lot more. Cops have been kind of paying a lot more attention to our race spot, so might end up having to find another one. Some of the other places where other people go, they're pretty far away. It's quite frustrating. A little peg scrape. Because Road Rash loves when I fucking scrape my floorboards. You know, I kind of mentioned in that other video about Twitch streaming, but Captain Granite tries to stream every now and again. I've been trying to do it a little bit more. You know, this is one reason why I wanted the Hero 7, so I could live stream Twitch. Like I said before, it sucks that you have to use a hotspot off of your phone. And now with the release of this DJI Osmo, I'm really curious. I haven't seen all the specs on it yet, but I'm really curious. Goddamn handlebars. If it has the ability of live streaming. Fuck you, Chris. But anyways, if anybody interested in watching me stream on Twitch, comments, leave it. I mean, I don't think it wouldn't be like a set schedule. It'd be random. Whenever I have time, I don't get a lot of time to do that shit. That's why I'd like to have the Hero 7 so I could live stream on the bike. But that also takes away from making videos. I mean, I know it does have the capability of recording at the same time that you're streaming, but I've heard bad things about it. Like the video ends up being shit. God damn it. Dark Zero noticed that clicking sound the other day in my video because these stupid hoodie strings. I'm trying to tuck them in so they stop hitting my helmet. Anyway, so watched the video on that Osmo today. That guy had gotten one from DJI for a test and doing like side-by-side comparison for the Hero 7, and man, the video stabilization on it is way better than the GoPro. I was actually quite surprised because GoPro, that was like their bread and butter, was that damn video stabilizing. It's way better. But I mean, with the way DJI makes their drones, and you know, their cameras on their drones are fucking amazing. Their software they use for everything is always great. So I mean, I guess it's not that big of a surprise that they made a badass action camera. Now, granted, since it is just now finally coming out, you know, it's new, so I'm sure the early models will have bugs, and the pricing's pretty close to the same as the 7, so that's pretty good too. really like to check one out. But anyways, just a few random fucking things I wanted to talk about. Just kind of popped in my head this morning when I was leaving work. Like, turn the cameras on, dummy. Alright, you guys, so have a great weekend or whatever day it is, and dream about me. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.